See, you just soften it at the very, very beginning, just to soften that little line. Yeah. But the L'Oreal spray, medium brown, is probably one of my favorite colors. So you got it? You feel good about that? All right, now brush it down.
Okay.
Brush it away from it. Yeah, just brush it down. Like soften the whole thing up. Yeah, yes. Yeah. Perfect. You see? And then you want to do the same thing, and then you want to give it a break. Okay. Cool. We'll hit the party. Yeah, I love it. It's a great instant.
And it doesn't create too much texture.
Yeah. The fiber spray is good when you're trying to stack hairs. This is great for temporary. Should we get it one more time? Too close. It's almost like airbrushing, retouching. You want to just softly, get it. And if you want to get the part straighter, you're going with makeup. It's not a big deal. Okay, cool. So let's do the front for the grays. See those grays right in the front?
Yeah, right there.
Sometimes when you have that gray hair right in the front, you just want to touch it up with a little light spray. And this tissue here is just so it doesn't leak all over the makeup. And then you want to softly brush it in. And you can even bring my hairline down just a drop if you want. This is how you soften it right on it. The medium brown is really one of my favorites because it's not too dark and it's not too light. So this is a great for a natural color.
It's natural.
Yeah. Fade. Touch right here in the front. You see what she did?